Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change device name on Cudy AX1800. Let's begin! I'm currently on Cudy.net. You can access this website at any time as long as your device is connected to your Cudy network. Anyway, we want to go to the main tab System Status, and under Mesh we can go to More Details. So as you can see here, we have our mesh, which currently has some random name. We can go to Operation and go to Device Name in order to change it. So for example, I will call it, well, let's say Super Mainframe. Though we don't want that slash at the beginning. And now we hit Save and Apply in order to change the name to something more cool, like Super Mainframe. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.